treating me right from this side of the wall. I'm thinking it's time to turn on a dime for the Sierra Madre call. I caught wind from a friend of a friend of mighty wealth untold. If the stories are true, nothing left to do but head down to Mexico. Desert wind blowing me away again. Now you're my only friend I've got left to call. Bought a two-bit mule from a horse thieving food to cross the Rio Grande below. I had to steer clear, but I had not a fear where the federal their own. Once I was through, I knew what to do. I had to send that old mule home. I'm now on the trail that lead most to hell after Pancho Villa's gold. Desert wind blowing me away again. Now you're my only friend I've got left to call. Desert wind blowing me away again. Now you're my only friend I've got left to call. Followed the words that I'd been told amongst the hillside shadows cold. When I topped the hill, I caught a chill for the cavern it did hold. The answers to questions that I never had, with riches I could hold. But truth of a man ain't built with hands or Pancho Villa's gold. It's that day